Hey everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you Sephora promo codes and how you can find the coupon codes for Sephora in 2024. For that, you just have to open your web browser and here you need to search for Sephora coupon codes. Over here, you will be able to see this website that is called grabon.in. So you just have to simply click on it and then you will be redirected on Grabon's official website. Over here it will show you the currently working coupon codes, and as you can see that here we have 6 coupon codes and offers that are currently working, and if you see the ratings then it is 5 out of 5. So over here you just have to simply select that particular coupon code in which you are interested and which you want to avail. Let's say I want to get this up to 50% off coupon code, so I simply click on get deal and then it will show me that they have redirected me on sephora.com, because in order to avail this offer I don't need to actually have the coupon code, but if you have it then you just have to simply copy it from here, then come to sephora.com, create your account on it, then select the products, and at the time of checkout you just have to simply use this promo code that we have just copied for Sephora. After that it will show you the amount of coupon code that you have gained, so you just have to simply make the payment and this way you will be able to redeem Sephora promo codes. If this video was helpful to you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to the channel for more this type of content. Thank you so much for watching.